Every once in a while, you come across a watch that really makes you reconsider your opinions, and today it happened in a very big way. Angular bezels, integrated bracelets, skeletonized dials. I've been very vocal about my opinions on these design choices, and in my opinion, after reviewing and taking a look at a lot of watches throughout the years, I see these things as being kind of overdone, and to put it simply, they're just not my favorite. But when I got my hands on this new Christopher Ward, everything changed. It is 7:55 a.m. Let's get down to business. Jumping into the specs, this watch is powered by an in-house Caliber SH21 COSC automatic. You're getting a 120-hour power reserve. The case is titanium, grade 2 and grade 5. You're getting a sapphire crystal, 41 millimeters, 12.3 millimeters thick, 46.3 millimeter lug to lug. It weighs 51 grams. You're getting a water resistance rating of 100 meters with a threaded crown. And when we're looking at the price, if you want it on the titanium bracelet, you're looking at $4,865, and on a rubber strap, $44.95. Now, this new offering from Christopher Ward is an impressive piece celebrating impressive accomplishments. The 10-year anniversary of their in-house movement, the Cal SH21, and 20 years of Christopher Ward watches. It seems there's always some new nook and cranny to explore every time you catch a glimpse of this celebration piece. Nothing is straightforward in the design here, and yet it all fits together seamlessly. Simply looking at a photo of this watch doesn't do it justice, and I'm very lucky to get my hands on one so dang early. Now, let's get to know this piece a little bit better by jumping into the pros and cons. First pro, the movement is insane. Okay, a 120-hour power reserve, silky smooth sweep. The thing is awesome, and the fact that they skeletonized the dial, you can take a look at everything as it moves. You see those double barrels. It is awesome. The attention to detail is undeniable. The bracelet is super comfortable, does not pull my hair, and it's supremely functional with the sapphire crystal, with the titanium, and with the threaded crown, and the very, I would say decent water resistance rating. It's more than enough. 100 meters with a threaded crown. You could wear this every day, going swimming, going to the gym, doing whatever you wanted. Now, the watch is not perfect, so let's look at the cons. Smaller indexes on this dial means it's not the boldest or quickest display of time. Also, I'm not a huge fan of butterfly clasps, but this watch, it's comfortable. This isn't a dive watch, so I'm not expecting like crazy micro adjustments with a nice milled clasp. Butterfly clasp works in this case. I'm just not a huge butterfly clasp person. And finally, if you're someone like me who has had very strong opinions about skeleton watches, integrated bracelets, angular bezels, you'll just really have to get your hands on this one to really understand it and understanding why it's so dang special. Now, I didn't get paid for this review. I'm actually not being compensated in any way here, but I've been reviewing Chris Ward watches for the better part of a decade, like ever since I started. I think my first year on YouTube as the time teller, I got my hands on some Christopher Ward watches. And to see where they started and to look at where they are now, it's insane to see just how much they've progressed as a watchmaker. And this 12X is proof. So Christopher Ward in 2024, they're not around. But let me know what you think, guys. I had a whole lot of fun with this review and spending some time with this watch. Chris Ward, easily one of the best independent watchmakers out right now when you're looking at build quality and attention to detail and what they offer for the money. This is in no way an entry-level watch, but if this had a, quote, bigger box name on the dial, this would be, a $20,000 watch easily. So getting it under $5,000, still very impressive, and there's definitely some value there. But let me know what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you there. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed. I'm Jory Goodman, the Time Teller, and always remember, I didn't invent time. I just tell it.